Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to share SnapTube downloads on TikTok. This is when you've downloaded videos and music on SnapTube and you want to share it to your TikTok followers. First you'll need to open your SnapTube application. Then at the bottom you are going to click on the word play. These are our downloads. We are going to click on the three dots of one of them. Then click on the word share. Then click on more. We want to copy the link, click on copy link. Then let's go back to TikTok. Here is TikTok. Then at the bottom, we are going to click on the profile icon. Here's our account. Let's click on the message or notification icon. So we are going to click at any chat like this one. Then let's click on message and hold. Then paste the message there. Paste the link there. The link is pasted. Then you need to click on the send icon to share this link to this friend. Guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.